Today I would like to show you how to strengthen the muscles of your lower back. I will show you a little bit on the skeleton, and then I will show you two exercises that you can do at home and that are very specific for lower back stability. So the first thing we need to realize is that the lumbar vertebrae are made for flexion and extension. They are not good for rotation. So we need to make sure they are able to do this flexion and this extension at every level. So we'll first find a way to lengthen the lower back. When the lower back is longer, we will shift on the fixed point of our sit bones. We will shift our whole spine like this. And when we are a little bit forward, we will relax and let the lumbars find a little bit of extension, but in a passive way. And there's two ways to do that. You can either just stay here and relax your legs, relax your hips, relax your belly, and let this happen automatically, which is quite difficult. Or you can use a reference that this is relaxed, and you took this relaxed lower back with you here, and you want to keep it relaxed while you come up here. And we'll do that using a stick. I will show you how to do that. So the first part, we will try to lengthen the lower back like this. And in order to be clear with that movement, we will use the reference of a stick that we put here. So I will put the stick here and lengthen whatever is over it. If I put the stick here, it's different. If I put the stick here, it's different. So depending on where you put the stick, you will get a different result. Then we will move forward, bringing the stick together with us. And then we will come up again. And for coming up, we can either use the stick in the back, or we can use it here so that we are clear with this movement. Okay? So now I will show it to you with the stick. So you want to place the stick in your lower back here, and you relax your lower back. Usually, for most people, it's easier to relax going backwards. So you stop trying to be straight and you just relax like that. For some people, it's the other way around. You need to go there. But most of you, you will have to come here. So I'm here and I relaxed my lower back and I put the stick on the apex, on the part of my lower back that's the most posterior, that's the most behind me. And that's going to be my reference point, where I will move from. Now I will take this relaxed lower back forward, like that. And the stick also comes forward. You can see the stick comes forward too. I'm here, I move forward, and the stick moves forward. And when I'm forward, here, a little bit anterior, a little bit more in front of my hip, my sit bones and my hip. And I don't want to go too far because then it's going to be really difficult to come up. So don't go too far. This can be really small movement. So I'm relaxing here. I'm shifting forward like that. And when I'm a little bit in front of my hips, I stop. And I relax. I relax my legs. I relax my belly, my arms are tight. And from there, I will try to stay relaxed with my lower back while I come up with the upper spine. I don't want to pull up like that. It's a movement that goes like that, right? So you have the stick is here, my lower back is relaxed, and I want to go over my lower back without contracting it. So I really need to concentrate, and the stick helps me. The stick shouldn't move. The pressure against the stick should stay the same. The stick doesn't want to feel that it's being pushed backwards. The stick doesn't want to feel it's being fled like that. The stick is the reference point. It's stable, and your lower back is very quiet. And when you do that, you're actually strengthening the specific vertebra that's just over the stick. You're just doing it the other way around. That's good. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Another way to do it, the first step is the same. You let the stick on the apex, or you choose whatever vertebra you like here in the back. But then you will put your stick in the front. And you want to look for a place that's really relaxed in your belly. Maybe you need to go here to find a relaxed belly. Maybe you need to go more there. So now your lower back should stay relaxed, but you also want your belly to be relaxed. So that's more difficult. So find a place for your belly to be completely relaxed, or as relaxed as possible. And you try to travel forward if this is possible, with your belly relaxed. If this is possible, to be in front of your hips with your belly relaxed and your lower back relaxed, you will come up and keep the same pressure on the stick with your belly. That means this will lengthen, but the lower back is stable. You have been transforming your lower back into a stable object. It's not moving all the time. It's not under tension. It's completely relaxed. It's stability for you to move around, to move over. Maybe you're not able to come here and have a relaxed belly. In this case, it doesn't matter. You have this stick in the comfortable area where you're really relaxed. And instead of moving forward like that, you will simply move backwards with your upper back and back again. And backwards and back again. The important thing is that you move everything that's over the stick with everything that's below the stick completely immobile, completely relaxed. And this will actually strengthen the particular part of the spine just over the stick, right? So in the end, it doesn't matter really if you're here or if you're here. The important thing is that you're activating a specific place in your spine. And this is a very powerful tool. Take care, I'm showing you big movements, but if you're in a lot of pain, you need to do very small movements. It doesn't matter if it's 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter of movement here on a muscle that measures maybe, I don't know, 2 centimeters is already a lot. So try that and tell me about it. And see you soon for the next video.